In our second lesson on the saxophone, we learned how to play the first 5 basic notes. And we actually looked at 3 of those in our first lesson. As a review, we had B, A, and G. Now we're going to add 2 extra notes. C with just your middle finger, and then D, where you're going to use all 3 fingers here, all 3 fingers here, and you're also going to take your thumb and you're going to roll it up to this. Notice how I use that thumb key right there. I don't lift my finger and put it up like that. I just roll it onto it. You want to make sure that your hands are in those flat C's that we talked about, and that way we're not going to push the side keys whenever we play these. We're going to put our saxophone on the right hand side of our body, and here's what those 4 notes, or those 5 notes sound like. G, A, B, C with the middle finger, and then D. So in the second lesson we're going to learn those 5 notes, and we're also going to look at Flashcard Set 1. Now Flashcard Set 1 has a letter name on the front of it, and then on the back it's got a fingering chart. So you can do these at home and try to memorize the fingerings for each one of these 5 notes. This down here is the right hand, down on the bottom, and then this up here is the left hand, up on top. This button here was that thumb key that I just showed you a second ago. And we're not going to worry about these 2 right here yet, that little circle. That is these 2 right here, and you play those with your pinky. They're down on the bottom of the saxophone with your right hand. So we're going to learn about Flashcard Set 1. I want you to drill those at home just as much as you can and get really familiar with them. Whenever you're familiar with them, go ahead and go on to Flashcard Set 2 as well. We're going to learn how to tongue in this lesson. Now tonguing is kind of like saying the word ta. Ta, ta, ta. You can try it and you can feel that your tip of your tongue touches the roof of your mouth, kind of back behind your front teeth. Same thing's going to happen with the reed here. Only instead of your tongue touching the roof of your mouth, it's actually going to come up and it's going to touch the tip of the reed like this. So I just played 4 quarter note G's. And in this lesson we're going to try to play 4 quarter notes on each note. And after we're done with that, you can start taking a look in the book if you want to get a little bit farther ahead and notice what the notes look like on the staff. So if you open up to page 4 and 5, you'll see that the odd numbered exercises 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 show what each one of these notes looks like on the staff. If you want to get ahead, start studying Flashcard Set 2 so that you can memorize where those notes are on the staff. And that's lesson 2.